We'll guide you through how to download and install the Razer app for your mouse and keyboard. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and got a Razer mouse or keyboard and you want to go and get the app so you can then go and start customizing the features on it. Open a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Go and search for Razer app like this, and you can come to the Razer software suite on Razer.com. At the top, we need to go and get Synapse. This is the app we're going to go and use, so go and click on it. Now you can go and scroll down and you're going to go and see Advanced Device Control, which is of course what we want. And you can then press download for Windows and it's going to go and download. Then you can come out of your browser and go and open up your file explorer. You need to go to the left and you need to go and press downloads. Here's Razer Synapse. You can then go and double click on it and we can go and start the installation process. You will get a security pop-up you need to agree to. Wait while it gets things ready. Read the license agreement and we can then go and press continue, and here we are. Then what you want to do is you can go and select Razer Synapse 4 on the left and you can then go and press install over to the right. Then you can press install Razer Cortex V1 or press skip and wait. When it's finished, it'll go and say launch and you can click on it and it will open up. What you can do is go and sign in here, or you can press continue as a guest. Some other things popped up, I just closed them off, and we can then press launch again, and now it will go and open up. So what you can then do is you can go and connect your Razer devices, and they'll then go and show up here, and you can click on them and start customizing them.